Okay, y'all, I'm finna put my pride to the side and be honest.
Your girl is broke again.
Yep, after the GoFundMe hit $50,000, I was not ready to deal with the shame of being a single mom, so I took that man back.
But y'all already knew that part because I posted that video.
But what y'all didn't know is he manipulated me out of thousands of dollars before I was actually ready to let go. But that's my fault. That's what you get when you disobey God. Baby, he provided me a clean way out. I could have been healing in Cabo right now. But I decided to listen to lies again.
Imagine you're scrolling online one day and you come across a sad story of a mother and her child facing homelessness. So you feel compelled to donate. You donate to her GoFundMe. GoFundMe reaches over $50,000 just for you to find out 2 months later she's back with the baby father that she said they were in an abusive relationship. And she gave him the $50,000 and she's back online asking her community to donate more. Just imagine. You don't have to imagine, y'all, because that's what we're covering today. A young woman got online on Instagram a couple months back and she made a very sad video. And a lot of women saw themselves in this woman's video. They felt compelled to donate to her because 1, maybe they were single mothers before. 2, maybe they faced homelessness before. And then 3, maybe they had a tumultuous relationship with the father or their child as well. One way or another, they saw themselves in this young lady. So they donated to her GoFundMe. The video went viral. She accumulated over $50,000, not $10,000. I can see how you can blow $10,000. I could blow that in a couple days, but $50,000. She got an apartment, moved in with her child, documented the entire process for us to see.
I like to call this virtual panhandling. This is no different than the lady that got caught a few years ago that was panhandling, stating that she was homeless, but she owned a luxury car and she had a home, but she would stand on the street for hours to get money from strangers, all because she did not want to have to work a job. This is literally no different, and the internet is finally catching on. These creators, they create a sad story and they garner attention from people and make it relatable, all in the disguise of content. People think that, oh, this is just content, or I'm going through something similar, or I've been there, done that. But no, this is strategic, and these things are planned carefully to get people to donate to their GoFundMe.
Hey, y'all, I'm finna put my pride to the side and be honest.
Your girl is broke again.
Yep, after the GoFundMe hit $50,000, I was not ready to deal with the shame of being a single mom, so I took that man back.
But y'all already knew that part because I posted that video.
But what y'all didn't know is he manipulated me out of thousands of dollars before I was actually ready to let go. But that's my fault. That's what you get when you disobey God. Baby, he provided me a clean way out. I could have been healing in Cabo right now. But I decided to listen to lies again. And when I tell you I'm paying for it, oh baby, I'm paying for it. And it's almost like the enemy want me to believe that was my last blessing. Like, my mind literally been tormented every single day. I've been having to cast down thoughts like God hates me, he's done with me, and he just doesn't love me anymore. And even though I made a foolish mistake, I feel like I am spiritually mature enough to know that God is literally never going to feel like that towards me. Because in the Bible it says he'll never leave or forsake you. I don't know. Comment down below what y'all think about that. And like I said, I've been going through a lot just coupled with the fact that I took that big of an L.
But some nice lady paid for my food that was in front of me today. So I decided to pay it forward and actually give back to people that appreciate it. But first I had to pawn these shoes, and it's not wrong because I bought. And shout out to my girl Nisha because she was a listening ear when I needed it, okay? It ain't like I pawned it and went bought dope. I went bought some pieces to give away to the homeless. Because even though I don't really have much and money a little funny right now that negative energy is really out of my life, I want to start back doing the stuff that I actually like doing before I let it in. The stuff that I should have been doing when I've got the money. And when I tell you it feels so good to get out there and make some people smile today, baby, I don't care if I gotta do it, bro. I'm finna make this a habit because I literally forgot how much I loved it. Anyways, I love y'all so much. Sincerely, DPS, we're not alone. If you know you're not alone, type you're not alone in the comments because we are not allowed. Okay, y'all, I'm finna put my pride to the side and be honest. Your girl is broke again. Yep.
So that was the initial video that she posted a few days ago. I do want to show you guys some of her other videos. This isn't the first video that she made on the internet, letting people know about her financial situation and where she's currently at in her life. This was some of the videos that she posted while people were donating the money to her. The initial video that she posted of explaining her homelessness situation and her tumultuous relationship with the baby father, that video is no longer on her platform anymore, but she posted several similar videos asking people for help.
So today I found out I got cheated on. And before y'all be today I found out I got cheated on. And before y'all be like, why are you telling your business on the internet? Who else I'm telling to? The kids? I'm 3 months postpartum and I already don't got nobody to talk to. And trust me, I know God's tired of hearing about this foolishness. Because technically I'm living in sin. I'm not married. I'm waking up praying with a man I'm fornicating with every night. So technically I'm dealing with my consequences. And you wanna know what? Consequences hurt. I'm tired of getting on this app every day acting like I'm perfect. I've been on here acting like I got the perfect man. Like I'm the perfect woman. But in reality, I'm going through the phone and putting him out every other 2 days, child. I didn't even mention he was married. Yep, still legally married and going through a divorce. And it's just now dawned on me, I'm out of alignment with God. God would not bless me with a married man. Whether he been separated for years or not, he's married to someone else. I could pray something blue in the face, I'm still not gonna have no peace in my own home. Because we're seeing his presence, peace is absent. Now, I don't know for sure, but I know that's somewhere in the Bible. But let me hold my horses. Because I'm not bashing you. I'm just finally ready to face the fact why it's never gonna work out between us. We are in sin. No good thing dwelleth in the flesh, and we are not going to get anything good out of sin. But y'all, we did make a pretty baby. And I really hope we don't have a hard time sharing this pretty baby. Because this handsome little man do not deserve it. It feels so weird to finally make a raw video on the internet. I mean, the truth shall set you free. I'm just glad I don't gotta act like I'm perfect anymore. So although you may not see that chocolate man on my page no more, y'all still get to see the kids. And a mama that's trying to get her life in order again. And you know what? That starts on my knees. In the right way this time. Sincerely, the P.S. We're not alone. If you know you're not alone, type it down below in the comments because we are not alone. Well, y'all, today I found out I got
something that I noticed that she does at the end of all of her videos. She has a little slogan that goes something along the lines of, "You're not alone. You're not the only one going through this." This let me know that this is strategic and this is a grifting strategy. She's trying to relate to her audience or find somebody that's in a similar situation or that has been in a similar situation that can connect with her. And she does take accountability because a lot of people I saw in the comments, they were just like, "Oh, well, I'm not gonna, criticize her because she's taking accountability and she knows what she did wrong." When you're an adult and you deal with the ramifications of your actions, you deal with them. You line and ask people to donate you money because where's the lesson? You haven't learned any lesson because people are willing to come out of pocket to donate your stupid habits and your causes. And I see this every single time. Any incident or habit that anybody does, a GoFundMe is the first thing that people think of. I remember times where GoFundMes were done for house fires, a death in the family, like to help people in serious situations. So it sucks that people like this are taking resources from people that actually do need them. Imagine it was a whole bunch of women commented underneath that initial video saying things along the lines of, "Me and my young child, we're in shelters now. We're facing homelessness. I wish I could have $50,000. Like $50,000 would change my entire life. Like that would set me up well, or let alone 50,000. They would be grateful and be able to turn their situation around with $5,000 or $10,000. But you have people like this that you give $50,000 and she just blew through the money in less than 2 months. I don't think people realize how much $50,000 is when they don't actually have to work for it. $50,000, that's somebody's salary. Some people don't even make that in a year. So for you to blow through that within 2 months and you have no shame to get back online and let people know that you blew through the money and now you're asking for help again. And then another tactic that she's trying to do is give back so others can give to her. She posted a few videos of her going to give food and money to the homeless. If you're in a situation where you're asking people to donate to you, why are you showing yourself, filming yourself, giving to others? This is a tactic that a lot of grifters use online. They come up with a very sad story. When the sad story has ran its course, they find other ways to look like an empathetic person and a giver so people can feel compelled to give to them. I did not donate to this cause because I've learned a long time ago that you can't donate to every sad story. And if you do, you will be broke, because on my timeline, I come across a lot of sad stories of people asking for handouts and for someone to pay their bills and to buy food and just basic necessity things. And then when you go on these people's profiles and they have 24-inch nails, long lashes, weaves, and things that are not essential to everyday cost.
Another tactic that's popular with these digital panhandlers is exploitation of children. She has a disabled daughter, and I came across this video right here.
For those who don't know, I have a disabled daughter. Sometimes she has moments, I don't know why, where she plays in her PCs. I know you're like, why are you recording? Why are you recording? I'm about to clean her, but I want to make a video real quick and tell y'all this. As frustrated and disgusting as I want to be right now, I have to think to myself, what about all the disgusting things that God has watched me do? He still had grace, he still had mercy, and he still loved me, he still cleaned me up. Just food for thought. There is nothing that this little girl can't do that will make me stop loving her. This is literally an example of God's relationship with us. I love y'all so much. Sincerely, P.S. We're not alone. If you know you're not alone, type not alone in the comments, because we're not.
Now, if that wasn't bad or sad enough, she also made another video exposing the fact that she had relations in a relationship with a married man. The video previously probably did not get you because I removed the sad sound, but all of these videos have the same type of ambience. There's sad music in the background. She has very mottled tone. like regretful, remorseful type of message and cadence in her voice. And then she goes on and it tells her business and how she was morally wrong to pretend like she's taking accountability just to get people on the internet to relate to her. So whether you have a disabled child, you've ever faced homelessness before, or you ever been in a toxic or abusive just deceiving relationship, you may find yourself wanting to connect with her or somebody like her on the internet, because virtual panhandling has become a job. It's a career. These people do not have to work because people on the internet are funding their lifestyle all in the sake of relatability and feeling like you were once there. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this video. Have y'all seen this content creator? Did you donate to her GoFundMe? And have y'all ever got gat? Because I wouldn't lie, but I have got gat, not by this creator, but I have came across enough sad stories to know that this is a grift.
Let me know how y'all feel about this. Do y'all donate to people? Do y'all see past the grifters? Or are you one of those people where if you see a sad story and it connects to you, you will donate regardless of the fact? Because I have seen that point of view. Some people are like, I donate because it's coming out of the kindness of my heart. What they do with the money is not my business. It's not my problem. Once the money has left my pocket and I knew that I was doing it to be genuine and to help somebody, and if they're not really in need, God will handle that, or they'll have their karma, because that's how some people see it. I don't see it like that. I feel like I have to protect my capital, so I no longer fall for the sad stories. I just pray for people when I see sad stories online. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this story, and if y'all came across this creator. She's creating more stories. I think the recent story that just got posted today was something along the lines of her child being ill, so she was asking her audience to help her with a doctor bill, as if all of America doesn't have to deal with these things. But the internet has become a very strange place. We have normalized people asking strangers for money for just basic things that come with being a parent. That's another topic that I'm not even going to touch on, that people continue to have kids knowing that they cannot take care of them. I feel like 90% of the things that people deal with in life are self-inflicted, but nobody has ever told them that. So that's why they feel comfortable with putting their problems and their issues onto other people.